Get instant cash from Payday loans. Every day, you spend at least 8 hours working in order to earn money. You will need the money for your daily expenses. However, there are times when you encounter certain financial problems in the most unexpected hours. In these times, the only solution will be cash, but where can you possibly get the needed cash if you don't have any? Well, the answer to your financial problems would be payday loans. Oftentimes, individuals who are in desperate need of cash resort to borrowing from their relatives or friends. If you're that unlucky, you will not be able to borrow money at all. It's quite hard to borrow in today's times because it is hard to find. Opting for loans is also not the best idea because you will be charged an interest. If you're in the same situation, it would be best to apply for payday loans. So far, this is the best solution that can answer your current financial problem. Payday loans will not require you to fax certain documents for the sake of formality. A lot of individuals who need instant cash now prefer payday loans because after the loan has been verified, the cash will automatically be transferred to your account after a few hours. For those of you who don't want to encounter the hassles of filing ordinary loans, payday loans is definitely the answer. Sending important documents through fax machines is just an additional task on your part, but now, there is no need to use fax machines. You will simply log on to the internet and find providers of payday loans. Once you find a reputable provider, you will just fill out their online application form and submit it. You will only wait for the verification and that's it, you get the loan within hours after filing. It would also help to know that since payday loans are given for the short term, the interest rate is a bit higher than ordinary loans. There are also certain standards followed by the payday loan providers. Applicants should be of legal age 18 and above, the monthly income should be above $1,000, and should have a checking account that is about 6 months old. You can obtain payday loans during emergency situations wherein you need to pay medical bills, tuition fees, finance your Christmas holidays, or even your dream vacation. Home parties or hotel gatherings that require you to pay cash is no longer a problem because you can easily file for a payday loan. Even individuals with not so good credit record can obtain payday loans. This is one of the best ways to improve your credit standing. You just have to make sure that you pay the loan on time. The loan providers or lenders are willing to help people in improving their credit scores, and so it will be quite easy to secure a $1,500 payday loan. By surfing the internet, you can find a lot of payday loan lenders or providers. Make sure that you choose a suitable provider, and then you have to provide a few formalities so that you can secure loans anytime you like. The interest rate would usually depend on the amount that you want to borrow and the credit score. People with high credit score will get lower interests as compared to other people with lower credit scores. Try to keep in mind that since payday loans are only short-term, you need to repay the loan within 20 days. So just in case you're in need of cash and you can't borrow from relatives or friends, file for payday loans. Check out the many providers and lenders online and ensure that you're dealing with a legal company. But before you do that, ask yourself first if you're qualified to apply. The requirements were already mentioned earlier, and it includes the age and income of the applicant. After determining if you're qualified or not, you can already act appropriately so that you can now finance your cash problem. Just be diligent in your search and you can find the right payday loan online.